In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to sections within pages of Google Sites. By the end, you'll know how to add a button that jumps your visitors directly to the exact part of a page you want them to see, which is great for long pages with FAQs, schedules, or contact details. First, open Google Sites in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. You'll land on the site's home screen, which lists the sites you've worked on. Look for the Recent section. This is the quickest way to get back to a site you've edited before without digging through folders. Open the site you want to work on. If you have a sample site or a test site, that's perfect for practicing. When the site loads in the editor, you'll see the three main panels: Pages, Themes, and Insert. We're going to do everything from the Insert panel on the right. In the Insert panel, find the Button option. It usually sits alongside items like text box, images, and embed. If you don't see it at first glance, scroll a bit. Buttons are part of the standard building blocks in sites. Click Button to open the dialog where you'll set up the button. Give your button a clear, short name in the label field. Think Jump to FAQs, Scroll to Agenda, or Go to Contact. A concise label helps visitors understand exactly where the button will take them, and it keeps your layout clean. Next, set the link. In the link field, you can search for destinations, you'll see suggestions for pages on your site, and, where available, sections within the current page. Choose the target section you want. When you select it in the picker, it will appear highlighted to confirm your choice. This tells Google Sites that the button should navigate directly to that section anchor rather than to the top of a page. Once your label and link look good, click Insert. Your new button will appear on the canvas. You can drag it into place, resize the button's column, and align it so it matches your design. If you'd like a visual cue that it's working, use the Preview button to test the jump. In Preview, clicking the button should scroll the page to the chosen section smoothly. That's it. You opened your site, added a button from the Insert panel, named it clearly, selected the highlighted section as the destination, and inserted it onto the page. This small tweak makes navigation faster and your content more user-friendly.